Update you on the Snoop scandal, which has indeed exploded into a huge political controversy after the centre gave its nod for a commission of inquiry to probe charges against the Gujarat government. The BJP has likened the move to a witch hunt, accusing the Congress of violating the federal structure of the constitution. The Congress, in its counter, asking why is the BJP fearing a probe?
A no-holds-barred fight has broken out between the Congress and the BJP after the cabinet gave its nod for a probe into snooping charges against Modi's government. The BJP camp accusing the government of vendetta politics.
यानी कि जो आरोप लगा रहे थे वो प्रचार की दृष्टि से थे, राजनीतिक द्वेष की दृष्टि से हो सकते हैं।
इंडियन टेलीग्राफ एक्ट का उल्लंघन अगर अरुण जेटली जी के प्रकरण में हुआ है तो इसी प्रकार का उल्लंघन गुजरात पुलिस ने भी किया है। तो उसका अगर जांच केंद्र सरकार कराती है क्योंकि सेंट्रल एक्ट है तो इसमें क्या आपत्ति है?
BJP says the center's nod to the investigation is a clear violation of the federal structure, calling the move a witch hunt. An under-fire government retaliating with equal vigor.
It is nothing but a dirty tricks department abuse of power to somehow frame Narendra Modi. But let me tell you, the more they try to do, the more the people of the country will stand up for Narendra Modi.
किसी का वेंडेटा हम नहीं ये करते हैं, रिवेंज नहीं लेने का करते हैं, मैं सुन रहा हूं, ये ऐसी बात नहीं है और इसमें किसी तरह का पॉलिटिक्स नहीं।
The verbal skirmishes showed no signs of slowing down, with both parties locking horns in a heated verbal duel of mudslinging.
That till such time, nothing can be authenticated on what basis is false propaganda and information being propagated. We will fight them in a court of law, on the streets and through the ballot.
Why has your government in that case ordered a judicial commission? Why hasn't Mr. Amit Shah denied his voice on the tape? Everybody lies. Everybody who says something that you, 1 minute, you think everybody is a liar, right?
With Congress firm on a probe into the snooping scandal, the BJP has decided to challenge the approval for a commission of inquiry into the case. And the political war over Snoopgate is only set to worsen. Bureau Report, Times Now.